In conclusion, we can now take the webinar funnel and we can place it on our store page. We're going to take the link from this view funnel, or we can take the top of the funnel where the registrar registration page is. We can then click on the link. We can head to our store page. We can go to this website tab and click on digital stores. We can then click on our store page. We can then add a new section. We're going to click on add section. We can now add a new product. That product will be an external link. We can place in our URL here in this area, and we can add in our text. Now, once again, we're not going to add in an image. We're going to add in the necessary text. Once you do that, you'll then be able to click publish, and your page will then be ready. You can click on and view the page. Now, this page has not been customized or branded, and it's now that you want to think through how you want to fully brand and add to the page. However, we have all of the elements in place to promote the links that we want to promote from our digital store. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you either in another video or in another course.